Alright, filming this video, 2008 Tundra Flange, rusted off. This is the repair. You got these at AutoZone. It's a 2 1/4 size split flange. I'll try and take a picture of the packaging after this. It actually will, you can see the 2 1/4 size will fit this bells out here. So it's fitting on the shoulder. On this side it's fitting against the weld. If I did this again, I'd probably do it differently, but this pipe slides into this one in this wider area. I think I tried to squeeze high temperature RTV through it. I think a better thing would have been to cut these bolts off, 1 and 2, separate it a little bit, get the RTV in there, and then suck it back together. So hopefully this works. I'm filming this while it's curing. I haven't tried this out. One thing I did, hopefully you can see here, I'll try and get it. I had the grind here. I took my angle grinder and had to grind out part of the flange to get clearance for the bolt for this to go through there. So I only had to do one side for some reason. I might have had it on there crooked, but there's a little grinding to get these flanges to work. And you need to get longer bolts. These are 3/8 by 5 inch. You can see there's probably an inch extra bolt there, so you could probably go shorter. But yeah, hope this works and help somebody out with a rusted off Toyota Tundra flange. All right, here's the flange I bought, AutoZone, 2 1/4 size. I used a popsicle stick to spread that RTV around if you're wondering why that's there.